Welcome to qnawire.
The t-test formula for two independent samples, also known as the independent samples t-test, it's used to compare the means of two separate groups to determine if there is a statistically significant difference between them. And the formula for this is the difference between the two sample means divided by the square root of the standard deviation from the first sample squared over its sample size plus the standard deviation of the second sample squared over its sample size. So the the test statistic would be 41.8 minus 32.4 over the square root of 15.6 squared over 8 plus 22.8 squared over 7. And this calculates to 0.9187. And if we are told that the degrees of freedom is 10.4, because that has its own formula when we have different samples, but thankfully it's been given to us, and alpha is 0.10, then the critical t would be 1.8054, and our conclusion then would be to fail to reject the null hypothesis because our test statistic is smaller than our critical. It's not within the rejection region, which would be outside of our critical value. And so we would, I think we're good.